Hi guys, today I will be replacing the battery of this Honda CRV key fob. So with this battery, so 1616 max life. So to replace that, you need to remove the screw here. So you need to use a small screwdriver or a precision screwdriver. This one is still big, so you need to change with a smaller one. Probably use the second size, a medium. Yeah, this one works well. Okay, the screw is out. Okay, some more. Then you can open this one. Yep. You can pry this out. Maybe I need a small flathead screwdriver. Okay, I got a small screwdriver. You can see here there's a slot here, so you can open from this part, I guess. Then yep, now it's open. Pry slowly. Want to break it. Yep, now it's open. Then you can remove this. Here, then the battery should be inside. Then another screw. That's it. Maybe no more screw. Just pry it open. Yep. Now here is the battery. Should be from here probably. Yep. So this is a Panasonic CR6016, but I'll try to use this one. But it will be interesting to know the voltage first for the old one. see. Still 3 volts, 3.05 volts. This one is 3.2. So this one still works, but if you're far from the vehicle, then it will not activate. See, this one is 3.25. So I'll just replace this with this one. Make sure you put the same polarity as before. Okay, then put it back. Then put it inside. Make sure it is aligned with the hole. This one should be fitted first. See this? It is hooked. Then tight. Then put the screw back in. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching.